wait a few seconds. I want to make sure it works. Yeah, it's going.
Recording.
It's got to go past 53, otherwise it'll freeze up. Okay, it's gonna go.
Okay.
I want to put the water here.
Crazy, sweetie. Do I have to hit this to start recording?
It's recording now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then when you stop recording, hit that, but just keep it going. I'm gonna go stand under the waterfall again, Mr. Camera. Hold those.
Oh. Los ojos.
Los ojos.
Yes. The crazy, sweetie.
Had it?
I sure did.
Wow, does that feel good?
Crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, do I push this
Like
button to
drenched.
stop recording?
Yeah, hit the red button.
What else do you have to say to Mr. Camera?
Yes, right here in the beautiful Amazon in the middle of Ecuador.
Yes.
We had to climb, what, 3 waterfalls to get to?
Yes.
3 or 4 different waterfalls. Through, I don't even know, probably a couple miles. Up a bunch of rock walls and all kinds of stuff.
My arms hurt so bad.
So we'll update when we get back. So